Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy and good morning to everyone. And today in this video we'll see how to set GIF image or the GIF image as the background for Chrome browser. See here, this is my laptop and the Chrome browser. I have set Thunder animated image or the GIF image as the background. It is very simple. You can also keep it just within less than 10 seconds. But I just wish for a like for this video if you like it and share it to others so that it may be somewhat helpful to me. And to have such a GIF image as the background, you just need to open Chrome. First of all, download a GIF image. GIF image or the GIF image. I don't know what the exact pronunciation, but yeah, you can search like rainy GIF or something like that. Okay, once you search for the rainy GIF, click on the images so that only images get filtered. And now you can click on tools here. So we'll filter something like type is equal to GIF and size equal to large. Large because we want high resolution images. So I just filter it as large. So now I'll download any of this picture. For example, this one. And you can right click and click on save as image, and you can download it to rainy new save. So it is on my download folders, and just open a new tab, and here at the bottom you will find a pencil icon. You need to click on that here where you need to apply that downloaded GIF image. So click on change the theme and click on upload the image, and go to your downloads where you got the download and select that picture. That's it, and this gets updated automatically and no need to save any changes or nothing like that. It just gets applied, and if you open new tab, this GIF image or the animated image will be your Chrome background. So if you like this video, please do hit and share, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.